Hi everyone! This is June and Mary. Today, dadalhin namin kayo sa isang place na honestly, hindi namin in-expect na ganito kaganda. Guess how much this whole nature escape cost us? 30 pesos. Yes, 30 pesos lang. May bundok, ilog, and fresh air for only 30 pesos. So watch until the end para malaman nyo kung saan to at kung sulit ba talaga.
We started our ride from Subic, then dumaan kami ng Castillejos, next San Marcelino. Then we skipped San Antonio kasi nag-shortcut na kami papuntang San Narciso, San Felipe, and then finally Cabangan. Road trip vibes lang, mahaba-habang biyahe but super ganda ng views along the way. Mountains on one side, fresh air, probinsya feels. Pagdating sa Cabangan, pumasok kami sa street na pinakita sa amin sa video and from there, Google Maps na lang talaga. Madaming paliko-liko, maraming kanto na papasukin pero may road naman all the way. Heads up lang, pagdating nyo sa part na to, magiging rough road na siya. May mga bato, uneven yung daan, so medyo challenging lalo na if hindi kayo sanay. Ingat lang and drive slowly.
There's also an environmental fee, 20 pesos for motorcycles and 50 for cars. After that, tuloy-tuloy lang. If feeling nyo sumobra na kayo, continue lang kasi nasa dulo pa talaga siya. And finally, we reach the Pia River. This might not be a new discovery for others, but for us, super special siya. The river sits right beside this majestic mountain. Parang painting in real life. Yung tubig, malinaw, steady yung agos, tapos may mix ng stones and shallow areas. Ang hangin sobrang presko, tahimik, and you can literally hear nature.
If you want to visit, just pin the Pia River sa Google Maps. They also have a page you can message for inquiries. Entrance fee is 30 pesos per person. Yun lang talaga binayaran namin since hindi kami nag-cottage. But they have cottages available if you want. And may rooms din with CR. May poso for water and bababait yung mga bantay.
June and I just set up our simple food and had a little picnic. Nothing fancy, just food we can enjoy together while staring at the mountain view. Proof na hindi kailangan mahalan dala para maging masaya. After eating, we cleaned our table and the area. Reminder lang, clean wherever you go. Take your trash with you. Let's keep places like this beautiful for everyone. After that, naligo na kami. Super refreshing ng water. Malamig, presko, nakakagising. Medyo madulas lang yung mga bato, so ingat talaga. Take your time and don't rush. We took photos, laughed a lot, and just felt grateful. Grateful kasi we get to explore places like this, and also grateful that we get to experience it together. Minsan, the best dates aren't the expensive ones. Less than 100 pesos lang, and a beautiful view is more than enough. Follow us for more adventures like this, and for affordable but memorable date ideas. See you on our next adventure. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!